Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your email address on your DocuSign account. To do that, click your account on the upper right, then click in Manage Profile. And under your profile section here, you want to scroll down and here's your email. Click on Update. And from here, it's going to go ahead and ask you to enter your password. So you want to go ahead and enter your password for your account. And once you do, click and log in. That's going to log you into your account. Then from here, you will need to basically authenticate your account and it's going to send you a code. So you want to go ahead and select whichever method you want. I'm going to use the SMS option. And then from here, the SMS that I will receive, I'm going to go ahead and now enter that number right here. So I'm going to enter the number that was sent to me. Then I'm going to click and verify. And once you verify, you will now have the option to click continue. And from here, you can now enter the new email address. Then it's going to send a code to that new email address. And once you enter that code, you'll be able to go through the steps to change your email address. But that's how easy it is. I don't necessarily want to change my email right now, but the steps from here are pretty straightforward. You enter the new email address, then click send code, you receive a code, and then you'll be able to verify and basically confirm that email address onto your account. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.